My name is Abdulkabeer Mardiya. I am a Fullstack Development student at Atibyan Tech Academy. My topic of discussion today will be on introduction to backend development. Firstly, what's backend development? Backend development is the server side of a website or application that users do not see or interact with, unlike front end that focuses on visual and user interactivity. The backend handles and stores, process and manages data while ensuring that everything on the front end functions properly. A real world example is that of a car engine. It is hidden but very essential for functionality and movement of a car. Technologies and tools involved are programming languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, Node.js, Ruby, Go, etc. The frameworks are the Django, Laravel, Ruby on Rails, Spring Boot, etc. We have API known as Application Programming Interface. It is responsible for the communication between the backend and the front end. An example is the server receives and responds to user requests. Application logic. Application logic is a code that is used to process data, apply rules, and communicate with database. And it is written in programming languages such as PHP, Python, etc. We have the security database. This is where information such as the user, data, products are being stored. A more real world example of how backend works is an example of a kitchen, an example of a restaurant. The dining area and the menu is the front end development, while the back end development is the kitchen where the orders are being prepared and delivered. My conclusion is that backend is essential for functionality of any web application. Without backend, front end is going to be a static. Learning backend development is essential to build a scalable, reliable, and functional application. Thank you.